We are today here in Geneva doing this wonderful workshop together with United Nations UNITAR-UNOSAT. This is the fourth workshop in a series we do in the European Commission Joint Research Centre. In this workshop on UAS for rapid mapping, we investigate what is the status quo of off-the-shelf mature systems and assess that with a lot of end users.
We have seen how UAVs have gradually improved. What is interesting now is to see that both in terms of hardware, there is quite a range of options for different applications, be it fixed wing mapping needs or more inspection applications where one may want to consider quadcopters, for example.
The one key to success is the cooperation with other organizations, in this case UNOSAT, and in all these workshops we bring together academia, end users, industry, and investigate how ICT or other technologies can help crisis managers, situation monitoring center operators, and disaster relief organizations.
I could say that this proves that the partnership with the UN is a valuable one, and I just want to add that we in DG ECO, we are strongly collaborating and let's say supporting UN on all let's say fields of action. It's a whole palette of activities through which we are looking for synergies, we are looking for better serving the population in need.
There may be some challenges on how they can be used operationally in terms of flight permissions, etc. That is a fact.
The legal aspects, the regulatory aspects that often pose problems to UAS operations.
In the Middle East and North Africa sometimes is a bit sensitive as an issue. Using technologies is not always easy for the governments and to have clearance to use these technologies.
What struck me is actually the way this technology is evolving, which is extremely rapidly. I mean, you get smaller and smaller devices, and I can imagine in the near future that we'll have more captors and better images and more applications. So I think there are some applications we don't even foresee for the use in refugee camp management, but I trust there are some things to explore there.
Using UAS, we feel, is a very good tool and means in the future to A, validate things that we're doing with satellites, and B, possibly complement. So using satellites, airplanes, classical airplanes and UAS together in joint operations for emergency mapping.
I'm using this information to advise them regarding UAS system, what to do and what not to do, and what would be appropriate to buy.
For me it was amazing seeing all these systems take off, seeing them in the sky, doing the automatic flights, following the flight paths, streaming down the data, live image feeds. It was just wonderful.